TransTRACK's all-in-one platform has a wide range of solutions that you can use to help your fleet operations. This fleet telematic solution from TransTRACK will explain some of the mainstay safety features that can be used in your truck fleet. DMS Driver Monitoring System. The DMS camera on the dashboard will give a warning if the driver smokes, uses a cell phone, is sleepy, does not see the road, or is not in the driver's seat, so that the driver can focus on driving the vehicle. ADAS Advanced Driver Assistance System. The ADAS camera pointed at the road will alert you if there's an object in front of the vehicle is too close to the shoulder, or the vehicles in front is already running. Foot sensor. The foot sensor on the gas and brake pedals will alert when it detects that the driver's foot is sitting cross-legged or not in front of the gas and brake. Obstacle sensor. The obstacle sensor at the rear of the vehicle will give you a warning if the sensor detects an object behind the vehicle with predetermined radius. Seatbelt sensor. The seatbelt sensor will alert you if it detects a driver who is not wearing a seatbelt while in the vehicle cabin. Overspeed sensor. Overspeed will give you a warning when the vehicle has exceeded the set speed. 360 camera. Installation of camera at 4 points, namely front, right side, left side, and rear will assist the driver in displaying video in 360 degrees to see blank spot areas on the vehicle. Fleet management system ensures that the location of your vehicle can be monitored easily. Get additional features such as driver behavior, voice monitoring, fuel monitoring, speed limiter, driver ID, a mobilizer and double protect, temperature sensor, door status, and more in TransTRACK's fleet telematics solution. TransTRACK, your #1 leading company in fleet telematics industry.